Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best coloring kits is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for young artists to express themselves, offering a vibrant world of imagination and artistic exploration right at their fingertips, making it an ideal gift that encourages hours of fun and skill development. Number 5. ZMLM Rainbow Scratch Paper Art Crafts. Discover a world of color and imagination with this exciting art kit. It's perfect for sparking creativity in young artists. This set includes everything needed for endless artistic fun. You'll find magic scratch paper, wooden styluses, and colorful stencils to bring ideas to life. Beyond just art, these supplies help develop essential skills. They enhance imagination, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition, making learning enjoyable. Just scratch away the black coating to reveal vibrant rainbow colors. Use the included stencils to create unique shapes and designs with ease. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a fun activity, this kit makes a wonderful gift. It's ideal for parties, travel, and everyday creative expression. These versatile notes can be used for more than just drawing. They're great for jotting down thoughts, creating greeting cards, or even as a fun way to de-stress. What we like? Unleash creativity with a magical scratch art experience. If you are looking for a unique and engaging activity that sparks imagination and improves hand-eye coordination, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for kids who love to draw and discover hidden colors, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or party favors. What people say? He absolutely loves drawing on these rainbow scratch papers. The colors underneath are so vibrant, and it keeps him entertained for hours. The set comes with plenty of sheets and tools, making it perfect for creative play and even sharing with friends or siblings. Easy to use, and great entertainment and variety, great price for such quality. Number 4. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye. Discover the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a vibrant tie-dye set designed for young artists. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. Take your art anywhere with this durable and compact case. It's built to withstand adventures, making creativity on the go a breeze. This comprehensive kit includes 140 pieces, featuring washable markers, colored pencils, crayons, and plenty of paper. It's perfect for any project, big or small. Ideal for Easter baskets, spring crafts, or just everyday creative fun. It's a gift that keeps on giving, sparking joy all year round. Explore a rainbow of colors, from bold brights to gentle pastels. Let your artwork truly shine with a spectrum of shades. Everything stays neat and tidy in its dedicated compartments. Finding the right tool is simple, so you can start creating right away. What we like? Get a complete art studio on the go with this comprehensive set. If you need a versatile art kit that keeps everything organized and is easy to transport, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a wide range of art supplies and want to create vibrant masterpieces anywhere, anytime. What people say? A beautiful and colorful artistic box that definitely catches the eye. From the outside, the case itself is very sturdy and durable. It does not give me the impression that it will break, scratch, or dent easily. In this unique box, there are a ton of supplies that can easily encourage children to do anything artistic. I love that it held so many items and had a variety from small point markers to big markers to crayons and color pencils. There are so many different color schemes and options whether you'd like to stick to crayons or markers. Guaranteed, the color you want they have. I love that there is a designated place for each item, just so that the child doesn't lose anything. The Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye, 140 CT, is an absolute hit with my kids. This set has everything they need to unleash their creativity, with 140 pieces including crayons, markers, colored pencils, and a sturdy case to keep everything organized. The tie-dye design on the case adds a fun, vibrant touch, and it's easy for them to store and carry around for arts and crafts on the go. Number 3. DLUCKY 208 PCS Art Supplies Drawing Art Kit. Discover a comprehensive art set designed for creators of all ages. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to bring your imagination to life. Designed for convenience, this portable art kit fits neatly into a case with a comfortable handle. Take your artistic endeavors wherever inspiration strikes. Explore a vast collection of art supplies, including crayons, oil pastels, colored pencils, watercolor pens, and more. You'll have all the tools for your daily drawing needs. Created with safety in mind, this art set is perfect for both children and adults. Enjoy worry-free creativity and make it a wonderful gift for any occasion. We are committed to providing high-quality art supplies. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you promptly. Encourage the development of thinking ability and creativity in children with this engaging art kit. It's an ideal birthday or holiday gift. What we like? Dive into a world of artistic possibilities with this extensive art set. If you're seeking a kit with a vast array of tools for drawing and painting, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for budding artists of all ages who want to explore different mediums and develop their creative skills in one convenient package. What people say. Perfect for a toddler aged and above. Great quality. Great for kids just getting into coloring. The stand-up easel is easy to use, and the included clips make holding the paper easy. Number 2. Unicorn Coloring Book Set for Kids. Introducing the Unicorn Coloring Book Set, a complete art kit for young artists. It includes everything they need to create magical masterpieces. This set is incredibly cost-effective, providing 60 coloring pages and 8 dual-color pencils. You won't need to buy coloring supplies separately. Discover a variety of fun and cute pictures like unicorns, rainbows, and stars on each unique page. The pages are designed to tear out easily for endless creative fun. Enjoy worry-free coloring as the special ink only appears on the provided paper. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained on long trips or rainy days without any mess. This kit encourages creative expression and helps children learn about color. It's a wonderful way for them to stay engaged and entertained indoors. The packaging doubles as storage, making it ideal for both home activities and travel. It's a coloring book that will keep them happily creating wherever they go. What we like? Enjoy hours of creative fun without the mess with this special coloring set. If you're looking for a travel-friendly activity that keeps kids entertained and their clothes clean, this is a perfect fit. It's ideal for young children who love to color and for parents who appreciate a hassle-free art experience on the go. What people say. The coloring kit includes a variety of vibrant colors and different types of coloring tools like crayons, markers, and colored pencils, offering a comprehensive art experience. The kit comes with a good selection of coloring pages featuring popular characters and themes that girls love, keeping them engaged for hours. The storage case is sturdy and well organized, making it easy for children to keep their art supplies tidy and portable. Number 1. Darnassus 132-piece Deluxe Art Set. Introducing the Darnassus 132-piece Deluxe Art Set. This comprehensive kit is designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals, kids to adults. It comes with everything you need to create stunning artwork wherever inspiration strikes. Inside this art kit, you'll find a vibrant array of 22 color pencils, 40 oil pastels, and 18 dual-tipped markers. It also includes 18 watercolor paints, providing endless possibilities for your artistic expressions. We've also included essential tools to enhance your art experience. You'll get a pencil sharpener, 6 additional markers, an eraser, a palette, and a brush. Plus, with 4 writing papers and 20 A5 art papers, you can start creating right away. Everything is neatly organized and securely stored in a compact, portable case. This makes it incredibly easy to take your art supplies with you, whether you're traveling or just moving to a different room. Our art supplies are non-toxic and safe for all ages and skill levels. You can focus on your art with peace of mind, knowing that these materials are safe for everyone. This art set is lightweight and ideal for on-the-go art creation. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to draw, paint, or sketch, no matter where they are. What we like? Experience a deluxe art set designed for creativity at any level. If you need a versatile and portable collection of art supplies suitable for both beginners and experienced artists, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create art on the go, ensuring safety and organization for all your artistic endeavors. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the paper quality is good, making it a great gift for young artists. This kit includes a variety of coloring tools, such as crayons, markers, and colored pencils, offering a comprehensive art experience. The carrying case is sturdy and keeps all the supplies organized, which is convenient for travel or storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.